How to remove or change background in Capcut PC. So if you want to remove or change background in your Capcut PC, then what you need to do is just go with Create Project, go with Import, which is on the upper left, and select the video. So I'll be choosing two videos. You need to choose a video in which you would like to remove the background and the other video in which you would like to add the background. So I'll be choosing a video for the background. So I'll be choosing this video and I would like to remove the green screen of this video and add this background to the video. So what you need to do is select the two videos and then drag and drop that to the bottom of your screen. So I'll be taking the video with the green screen. You just need to simply select the video and you need to go with the upper right, which has that remove BG option, and then go with the auto removal. Once you click on auto removal, then it will remove the background. So wait for it to process. Once it has been processed, you will have this kind of interface where the background has been removed. Right. So once the background has been removed, you just need to simply take this video to the upper side and drag this video to the bottom. And now you can see that the background has been removed or added. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.